So I made a Chrome extension called character.ai, which adds some extra stuff on top of the character.ai web page. If you want to see what it does, you can skip. There's timestamps, look at them. But for now, I'm going to show you guys how to actually get this on Chrome, because it's not super simple, but it's not very complicated either. So just go to whatever web page. I'm using Brave at current. But this will work on Chrome too, or pretty much any sort of like browser that runs on Chromium, which is like 99% of everything. So you're going to want to click on the puzzle piece up here, and just show all of your extensions. And you're going to want to click on Manage Extensions here. Now I already have it on because obviously this is my developer one. But you're going to see a thing in the top right, which says Developer Mode. Toggle this to on. You're going to get some buttons here now, and you're going to see a lot of different stuff. Now, I'm going to turn this off, just so I can tell which one is my development one and which one is the one that I download for this video. So now that we have these buttons, we can go to my GitHub page where this extension is. Now there's going to be a link to this in the description / pinned comment, obviously. Everything is here. All the code is just right in front of your face. So if you want to look at how it works, there's nothing in there, but if you want to look at how it works, it's all here. I pity you if you want to actually see the fucking disaster that this in fact is. Now that we're here, I've made it as simple as possible, so all we want to do is just click on releases. You're going to get this file, basically shows you the few features that I added, and we're going to click on the better c.ai zip. I'm going to grab that, we're going to save it. That's going to save to probably your downloads or wherever you saved it to. We're going to just go ahead and unzip this. There we go, extract all. And you're going to get this unzipped folder here. It's going to have another folder in it, and that's going to have like background, content script, blah, 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 blah. All the things that make the Chrome extension work. So we can exit out of that, and then we want to go back to the extension page here where we enabled our developer mode, and we want to click Load Unpacked because we have an unpacked extension that we want to run. It's going to be this one. You're going to want to click into it, whichever one. This one right here, this one last week, this is my, don't look at this, this is my developer one that I have open in other places. That's why that's there. The one you're just going to have like a normal file that says better c.ai. Click on that or double click on that. You're going to get the folder that's inside and select that folder, which you can see has now come here and it is active. And that's basically all you have to do. So we're going to head over here and we're going to reload the page so the thing is loaded, and you're going to notice that we have a saved bots feature now. I don't know what these recommendations are, by the way. I clicked on a few like random popular bots to set up this tutorial, and this is what they've decided to show me. But yeah, so we have a saved bot feature. We don't have any saved bots right now, but for anyone that's used character.ai quite a lot, you know it saves a few bots over here in the left-hand side. But once you kind of use the service quite a lot, that area gets filled up really quickly, and it is a nightmare to find bots again. Personally, what I ended up doing is going into literally making a text file, just saving the URLs to all the bots that I liked, and that was the motivation to actually create this extension in the first place, because that was super annoying. But anyway, we're going to go to this bot here, Tubi, and we're going to see that now, because we have this extension over here, it's going to give me this save bot option. We're going to click on that. It's going to, do some mumbo jumbo so you don't mess up the extension. And when we go back to the loading screen here, we're going to see I've accidentally clicked on it, but we're going to see that we have this in this area now. So we have the name of it, who it's by, and the description, and if you click on this area here, it's just going to take you to the chatting screen, and you can save as many bots here as you want to. It still doesn't work on every bot for some reason. I'm not sure why. It works on most things. Pretty much all the bots I've tested it's worked on. It's just not worked on a couple, and I don't know how to fix it, but I'm going to figure it out at some point. Anyway, there's a couple other features that we can do. So we can see that we have some dialogue here. And there is a couple, if you come up here on the extensions and click on better character.ai, you get this menu here, so you can reset your saved bot list if you want to do that. And you can see, so we can change some different stuff. So we can turn on formatting colors, and what that does is basically it will turn everything that is italicized to pink and everything that is bold to red, which at least for me, I find makes reading things that have like actions inside of asterisks and stuff quite a bit easier, especially if the bot is a little bit poorly made. And then we also have a option to change some larger text to a little bit larger and smaller. So we can see we can go down to like 8 pixels and go up to like 40 pixels without having to ruin the sidebars here, which is super annoying, because if you want it close, then you got like a million things taking up your screen. It's a big nightmare. Not anymore. And that's pretty much it.